All the opportunities that students have right now, I didn't have. And so I have the same expectations that I have for my own kids, for our students to dream, to have that passion, to have that tangible component for making dream to reality.
So we're making this really cool thing called the Smart Rover. It's fun and learning at the same time, that then they get to have a robot that they have created, built with by hand and built by code. So not only are we helping to create new technologies and new platforms to get our clients more efficient, but we're also helping to create the next generation of talent.
When we decided to embark on this journey and build a manufacturing facility, we thought long and hard with intention around creating a product that is part of the experience, but at the same time for the greater purpose.
83% of the manufacturing leaders that we talk to have said attracting and retaining the right people with the right skills is their #1 issue. So if we don't start to influence the students of today, there's no way that we can continue to manufacture the way we do in this country, recognizing that incredible demand that's on the horizon.
When they have something like the Rover that they can interact with, they make that connection with play to the learning of it. They can find a place in the world that they can contribute, but at the same time, fills a workforce demand, for us in the area.
We're able to bring a community together. We're able to bring players to the table that can have an even broader impact. And so bringing all those together is the power of Deloitte throughout the entire industry and ecosystem.
For me, this is all about creating opportunities. It's about how you enable, young kids who are in a very, very kind of curious time of their life to really have a place to explore that creativity and spark interest and spark areas that maybe they didn't even know existed.
I can't wait for the moment. I imagine it of sitting in front of a student that's like, hey, do you know why I'm here working at Deloitte, working at one of our other partners? Well, because I played with your kit when I was in 7th grade and it unlocked this thing for me.
Sometimes people just push the ladder down to these communities and want to see what happens. Not us. What we're trying to do is extend the ladder and then pull people up, people who frankly haven't had the opportunity, who equity hasn't found them yet, and we're going to help that equity find them. Deloitte's going to be a better place, sure. The manufacturing world's going to be better, sure. But more broadly, you're going to have a more equitable society. That's what this is all about.